What's up, guys? So while we're taking a walk, I don't do a whole lot of talking in my videos, but just a little backstory. I'm 35. I've been doing this since I graduated high school, about 17 years or so. For the last 12 years or so, I've been doing commercial service. I'm not perfect, nor will I ever be. But if you guys like the videos, don't like the videos, thumbs up, thumbs down, subscribe, do something, I don't care. I'm gonna keep making them. So I think our problem child's over here somewhere. We're gonna go see what we can find. See where we can figure out this unit is. Here. He's circulating some air there. The thermostat was not labeled. Of course. I think it's gonna be this guy here. Let's open her up and take a look. Alright, so here's what I see. First of all, got a bad compressor. Somebody marked it on there nicely. Needs a contactor. I'm guessing that's the bad compressor, but this has a 3-wire train sensor. See our LED, no alarm. This isn't going to be our guy. We had a regular thermostat on the wall when I went down and looked at it, so we're going to have to keep searching here. I think I found it as soon as I walked up. First of all, it's labeled 2A upstairs office, which is where I was, but I heard the compressor kick on, and I don't see any oil like we got a leak, but my fan blade's laying on the ground, so that could be an issue. Tore up some shit too. Hopefully we don't have a leak. Let's get in here and see what we can do. This may be as lucky as I get all year. Look at this. Does not seem to be leaking. I don't know how. Kind of needs some repiping. I'm not sure what happened. To allow that to fall. My motor's steaming hot. I didn't find any damage to the blade or motor, so we're going to clean this up a little bit. What I think may have happened is the coils were cleaned recently. Even though the blade doesn't show much damage, I wonder if it's not out of balance. And that's what caused it to throw off the motor. It's kind of weird for it to just fall off like that. Loctite. customer. They're going to need a quote for repairs. We're obviously going to have to repipe this thing and probably replace this fan motor. Turn it back on and see how much vibration we get out of it. We have the fan blade on. As you can see, I straightened up the lines the best I could. I was mostly concerned about that, but it actually moved without leaking. Still looks like crap, but a customer needs a quote to go through and recover and repipe this thing. That's what's going to happen. So let's go ahead and turn her on. Doesn't look like there's too much vibration or anything. I have no idea why that fan blade would have fallen off of there. Someone can tell me why. We're gonna let her start back up and check an amp draw on the motor and call it good for now. We'll quote them to replace the motor and the blade and repipe everything. But that's about it for now. We'll get this done. On to the next one. So 20-degree temp drop, no wobbling in that fan. I have no idea why that thing came off of there. So subscribe, like, watch some of the other guys that inspired me to do this. HVACR videos, Chris, Bill, Curious HVAC guy, NorCal, Rookie Refrigeration. There's a whole lot of good videos out there. Way better than mine, I guarantee you that. But this is hard to do. You get bits and pieces sometimes, but it's not easy to come out here every day and video with a phone what you're doing. But I try to bring you guys along when I can. So